Bongo Cat is a fun extension that animates a cat playing bongos in sync with your computer's audio. Sometimes after a browser update, it stops working. This happens because browser updates change how extensions work, especially with audio capture and security features. Updates like Chrome's Manifest v3 can break older extensions by changing how they access audio and run in the background. In January 2026, a patch was released to fix these compatibility issues and restore Bongo Cat's functionality. First, ensure you have the latest version of Bongo Cat. As of February 2026, the current version is 1.0.2, with a hotfix 1.10.1 released in January 2026 to address compatibility issues. Go to your browser's extensions page, e.g. Chrome/extensions in Chrome, and check the version number. If it's older, manually update the extension. If auto updates are enabled but not working, try removing and reinstalling from the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. Bongo Cat requires microphone permission to detect and visualize audio from your computer. Without this access, the extension cannot capture sound and will not animate the cat. First, access your browser's settings menu. This is usually found in the three-dot menu at the top right of your browser window. Navigate to the Extensions or Site Permissions section in your browser settings. This is where you can manage what each extension is allowed to access. Locate Bongo Cat in the extensions list and ensure microphone access is enabled. Look for a toggle or checkbox next to microphone permissions. Finally, double-check that microphone permission is enabled specifically for Bongo Cat and not blocked at a global level in your browser's privacy settings. This ensures the extension can properly access audio input. The browser console can provide valuable clues about why Bongo Cat is failing. This built-in developer tool shows error messages and diagnostic information that can help identify the problem. To open the browser console, press the keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, use Ctrl, Shift, and J together. On Mac, use Command, Option, and J. Once the console opens, look for any error messages related to Bongo Cat. Common errors include extension context invalidated or audio capture failed. These error messages can indicate compatibility issues with recent browser updates or problems with audio permissions that Bongo Cat needs to function. If you see any errors, note them down. This information can be very helpful when troubleshooting further or reporting the issue to the Bongo Cat developer. A simple fix is to try disabling and then re-enabling Bongo Cat. Go to your browser's extensions page, find Bongo Cat, and toggle the switch to disable it. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on to enable it. This can help reset the extension's context and resolve minor initialization issues. It's a quick and easy step that often resolves the problem. Sometimes, other extensions can interfere with Bongo Cat, especially those that also use audio capture. Try disabling other extensions one by one to see if any of them are causing a conflict. After disabling each extension, check if Bongo Cat starts working. If it does, you've found the conflicting extension. You can then choose to either disable the conflicting extension permanently or try to find a way to use both extensions without conflicts. If you don't want to disable it, you can try finding an alternative extension that will not conflict. If none of the above steps work, try completely uninstalling and then reinstalling Bongo Cat. Start by going to your browser's extensions page. Find Bongo Cat in the list and click the Remove button. Then, go to the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons to reinstall the extension. Find Bongo Cat and click Add to Browser to reinstall. This gives you a fresh installation and can resolve any corrupted files or settings. If the problem persists after trying basic fixes, it's time to seek help from the community and developers. Visit the official Bongo Cat GitHub repository at github.com/coroni/bongocat or join the Bongo Cat Discord server for community support. Check these resources for any known issues or workarounds that might apply to your situation. You can also report the issue directly to the developer, Stray Rogue, providing detailed information about your browser version, operating system, and any error messages you encountered. Community feedback is crucial as it helps developers improve the extension and address compatibility issues quickly. As a last resort, consider enabling the Experimental Web Platform Features flag in your browser settings, though be aware this may affect other websites. These advanced steps should help resolve persistent issues with Bongo Cat not opening after updates.